Are you feeling tired, lacking energy, or struggling to build muscle? Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to boosting testosterone naturally, while introducing you to an advanced supplement that could supercharge your results. Black Ox by Enhanced Labs. Let's uncover the secrets to improving your physical and mental performance and taking your health to the next level. Stay tuned as we break it all down step by step. Testosterone is often called the male hormone, but its influence goes far beyond stereotypes. It's the driving force behind many essential functions in the body, from building lean muscle mass to maintaining energy and confidence. But did you know that testosterone levels start to decline in your 30s, and by the time you're 50, they could be significantly lower? This hormonal shift can lead to fatigue, mood swings, difficulty maintaining muscle, and even a drop in libido. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. With the right strategies, you can support and even enhance your testosterone levels naturally. Understanding why testosterone is important is the first step. Now let's move on to actionable ways you can take control and optimize your hormonal health. When it comes to boosting testosterone naturally, there are several science-backed strategies to consider. Let's break them down. Eat the right foods. Nutrition plays a key role in hormone production. Foods rich in zinc, like oysters, lean, meats, and nuts, are essential for supporting testosterone synthesis. Additionally, don't shy away from healthy fats. Incorporate avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish into your diet to provide the cholesterol needed for hormone production. 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity, especially weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, has been shown to increase testosterone levels. The key is intensity. Push yourself with compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses to stimulate the body's natural testosterone production. 3. Manage stress. Did you know that chronic stress can suppress testosterone production? That's because stress increases cortisol, a hormone that directly impacts your testosterone levels. Combat this by incorporating stress management techniques into your routine. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and even taking time to unplug can make a significant difference. 4. Get quality sleep. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's critical for maintaining hormonal balance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. During deep sleep, your body produces the majority of its testosterone, so make rest a priority. 5. Sun exposure or vitamin D. Vitamin D isn't just good for your bones. It's also a key player in testosterone production. If you live in a sunny area, try to get 20-30 minutes of sun exposure daily. If that's not an option, consider taking a high-quality vitamin D supplement to bridge the gap. Now that we've covered natural ways to boost testosterone, let's talk about taking your results to the next level. Meet Black Ox by Enhanced Labs, a cutting-edge testosterone booster designed to help you unlock your full potential. Black Ox is formulated with a blend of powerful natural ingredients like fenugreek, ashwagandha, and tribulus terrestris, each scientifically shown to support testosterone production. But what sets Black Ox apart is the synergy between its ingredients. Fenugreek has been shown in studies to increase free testosterone levels, while ashwagandha not only boosts testosterone, but also reduces cortisol, creating a more balanced hormonal profile. Tribulus terrestris, a well-known herb, further enhances your body's ability to produce and utilize testosterone effectively. Let's dive deeper into how Black Ox works. The unique formula targets multiple pathways to maximize your testosterone levels. First, it boosts the release of luteinizing hormone, which signals your body to produce more testosterone. Second, it helps free up bound testosterone, increasing the amount available for your muscles, brain, and energy levels. Third, it reduces estrogen levels, creating an optimal environment for testosterone to thrive. Don't just take our word for it. Black Ox has helped thousands of men regain their edge. Here are some real-life success stories from users who have experienced incredible transformations, whether it's building muscle, increasing energy, or improving confidence, Black Ox delivers results. Ready to take action? Visit our blog at alphatrolley.com for an in-depth look at natural testosterone boosters and actionable tips. And if you're ready to elevate your results with Black Ox, click the link in the description to order now. By using my affiliate link, you'll gain access to exclusive offers while supporting this channel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others looking to improve their health and fitness.